I'm Alex Farah, and this is the Faracom YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to set up the keys that were loaded into your pager in the profile settings. So this is what's going to be done after the key is loaded into your Unication pager by either your dealer or your system administrator for you to be able to retrieve encrypted talk groups or other encrypted traffic. The very first setting at the top is your periodic key alert tone. What this does is it'll alert you periodically that the key in the knob that you have selected is not found in the pager. So this means that the key in there is either not found or it is defined to the wrong common key reference. The next one is display on channel change. You can have it display when you change it, or you can disable that. Then underneath is where you'll add in your encryption key reference or your common key reference, so that way you can select that in your zone and knob settings. So what you'll do is for key alias, this will be just the friendly name that will show up in your zone and knob settings. So this you can name whatever you want to help you remember what this key is for. And then the common key reference is the number that you're going to get from your system admin or whoever installed the key for you. So since this pager doesn't have an encryption key, we'll just leave it as is, but if you were to add in a key, you would just get that information from the person who installed it, either your system administrator or your dealer. And then again, the key alias is just a friendly name. Thank you everyone for watching, and as always, feel free to ask any questions down in the comments below or recommend future topics by visiting our website at faracom.com. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button to get alerts on future videos to the series.